Welcome back to another episode of Diecast Dudes. And today we are going to review time models. This is slightly more expensive than the mini GTs. This is a tribute model to one of my favorite actors and one of my favorite movies. And as you can see, the time models, they come packed in acrylic boxes like this one. And the base is also plastic, which you can actually remove from the model, and it's just these two screws that you need to get rid of, and then yeah, you're good to go. So this comes with a backdrop of Mr. Heath Ledger. He's looking at us right now, and at the front you can see there's a plate which gives you details. It's a time model in collaboration with SO models, and the scale is 1:64. This is the backdrop or diorama or whatever you want to call it that comes with this. On the bonnet, it has the Joker right where it should be, and then it has details of the model, which time model, SO model. The base is plastic, but still. It's a wide body Porsche RWB, the twin tailpipes, the spoiler. It's not carbon fiber, but it's a different material from what we have on the roof. And the spoiler also says Joker on the side. The tail lights, very detailed. I mean, 993, this is the max detail I've seen on a 1:64. You might get better on a 1:18 and all, but not on a 1:64. The rims, they are actually deep dish, and with a chrome border and a purple inner 5-spoke rim with obviously rubber wheels. The car is quite close to the ground, as we can see. Oh, and on the other side, Mr. Ledger is asking us the question which he loves asking everyone: why so serious? So do not be serious when you're watching this. And one thing you have to do seriously is subscribe to my videos, because I'm getting very less subscribers. That's kind of demotivating. So this is the front of the vehicle. It has a tow hook, which a lot of RWBs have, and their indicator lamps, which are crystal. The headlamps, quite detailed. And again, as I said, it's a wide body. And one thing, it has a fuel cap right there, and you can see the small bolts or the rivets that keep the wide body together. I hope you like the video, and do let me know if is anything I need to review.